Hey, KW Southlake. So today we are talking about technology. All right, so everybody, I want you to stick with me. We're gonna break this up into a few series of videos to break down what Keller Williams is doing to help you and your business make the industry shift. For those of you who don't know, we are going through a shift. The difference this time, it's not a market shift, it's an industry shift. And technology is reshaping the way we are going to be doing business over the next 12 to 18 months per Gary Keller. And if you remember, for those of you around last time we had a market shift, Gary predicted that about 2-3 years before it even happened. So he's kind of good at this stuff. So we are doing everything we can to get you ready for what's coming. So let me start first off and just kind of paint a picture for you. And that is, we are entering what's called the fourth industrial revolution. Now, for those of you, quick history lesson, don't snooze off on me here. The first thing that ever happened from an industry standpoint is the loom and the locomotive. That happened way back in the 1800s, but when the loom came out, it shaped and sped up how fast textiles were made. And the second was the locomotive, which increased and improved our transportation. The second industrial revolution we had was electricity. Once electricity was invented, all of a sudden it led to a lot of other inventions like the telephone, for example, but electricity had to come first. The third one that came out was personal computing and computers in general. And if you know, those of you who have been around, a lot of us were around for that. Computers have shaped the way business operates and who's even in charge in business for that matter. The fourth industrial revolution is one step beyond the computing stage, and that is what we now call big data and artificial intelligence, AI. Now, don't worry, it's not sci-fi movies like you think. We're not going to have robots taking over the world, Skynet destroying the universe or anything like that. But what it is, it's when you log on to your Amazon account, for example, and purchase something on Amazon, maybe even overstock, or when you get on Netflix and binge watch your favorite television series, what's happening with that big data and with that AI is you're being made recommendations for what exactly you want to see next. And you may not even know that there's a television show that you're interested in, but Netflix might recommend it to you, or Amazon Video might recommend it to you, and you end up giving it a shot. Same thing with purchases and things we make. All of that is a collection of taking tremendous amounts of data based off of you, demographics, everything they can find out about you, and also apply it to make predictions for you that makes suggestions for you. The question for you is, why is none of that existent in real estate right now? There might be a little bit, but why isn't that there now? But more importantly, do you think it's coming? We think it is. And we're going to talk more about that in the next video to kind of set up and explain why that's happening and how it's happening to our industry.